There's little Shadow. Hi. Say hello. He's a little sookie. Oh. Hey, baby. Oh, you want the pettins, don't you? You're my sook. Yes, you're my sook. Oh, here's the other sook. Meow. Hey, baby. Hi. Come here. You're ever fat. Come here. Where's your brother hiding? There. Look at a pretty face. Look at a pretty face. Oh. You're just a little attention whore, aren't you? Yes. You guys are so fluffy. You're just trying to climb up my hand. What are you doing? Yes. Chitara! You just love me, don't you? You're my baby. Yeah, you're my baby. A little Shadow is the fattest, fluffiest one of all. Look how fat and fluffy he is. He's so fat and fluffy. Your little white paws. She's like, no, don't pick him up. Pick me up. Look at me. Look at me. Show your pretty face. Look. See, look how pretty I am. You want to come up here with me? Come on. There's my baby. You like attention, don't you? Oh, there goes the door. You really like attention. Meow. You want to go back? Come on. We'll put you back. Oh, look. Mommy got you supper. Mommy brought you a nice juicy dead mouse. Mmm.